It's no question that the Vans Old Skools are a classic, timeless, and really nice sneaker. Not to mention that they're an essential among every man's collection. Well, for those of you that are on the fence about how to style this sneaker, this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to cover everything on how to style the Vans Old Skools in 5 simple steps. Alright, what's up guys? My name is Ben and welcome to my channel. If you're new here and enjoy the content, please feel free to subscribe. But without further ado, let's hop right into it. Alright, so step number 1 is colors. Since there are so many different types of colorways of Old Skools, it can be hard for some people to put together an outfit where the colors of the outfit go together very well and the outfit flows together very nicely. As a general rule, if your Old Skools are a very loud or very colorful colorway, stick to a very neutral or more subtle colorway for the rest of your outfit. For example, if your Old Skools are maybe a red color, which is a more loud color, I would say stick to the rest of your outfit being more black or gray or more subtle colorways or neutral colorways such as those. If you do, however, decide to add a little bit more color to the rest of your outfit, I would say just make sure you keep it simple. This does apply and vice versa. So if you do in fact own the classic colorway of Vans, or if you have the all blacks, for example, which is a neutral colorway such as myself, this gives you the freedom to play with different colors and be creative with the rest of your outfit. Step number 2, more doesn't always mean better. This sneaker has a very stylish yet simplistic silhouette, which offers for more ambitious designs and patterns for the top of your outfit. But remember, more doesn't always mean better. For this, you want to stick to one loud piece for the rest of your outfit. For example, if you were to wear a nice Supreme box logo tee, you want that to be the center place of the outfit because that's where the branding is and that's kind of where the hype is as far as streetwear aesthetic. And let's say you want to layer that over a flannel. You want to keep the flannel a little bit more subtle in terms of branding, and you want to make sure it complements the colors of the t-shirt, and you want to finish off the outfit with like a nice pair of jeans or a nice pair of ripped denim. Here's another example. So let's say you want to wear one of those like patterned beach shirts with a lot of designs that are very loud. You don't want to wear a loud pair of shorts or a loud pair of pants with that because that just completely clashes with the shirt. You want something that's going to complement the rest of your outfit and really make that the centerpiece, ensuring that the shirt really pops. Alright, so step number 3, jeans and socks. Alright, so for jeans, it's pretty straightforward. I would stick to any jeans that are really slim or skinny, mainly because I feel like the Vans are already a slim shoe, and if you have a nice slim pair of denim, it really complements the slimness of the sneaker. I personally like to style my Vans with a nice pair of slim ripped denim. If you do want to wear a more bootcut or baggy pair of denim, I suggest not to do that, mainly because the bagginess of the jeans will surround your sneaker and take the attention away from them, which is exactly what you don't want. However, one option is you can even cuff your denim. This even works for baggy jeans. This is also an option that is quite stylish and it gives really a retro kind of streeter aesthetic. Vans Old Skools can also be worn with khakis, with chinos, with shorts, and I wouldn't really recommend them with sweatpants, but that's personally up to you. I'm not a big fan of how it looks, but then again, that's up to your own individual style. If you like the look, go for it. Alright, so step number 4 is tops. Alright, so for tops, really be creative with it. So some of my suggestions are band tees, maybe graphic tees, plain basic tees. You can also go for some layering if you're into that. But my go-to outfit is a nice branded hoodie over a long line scallop tee paired with a nice pair of ripped jeans. So step 5 is accessories. Again, for this one, I would say be creative. Since the Vans are considered more of a casual, more skater aesthetic of a sneaker, I would say stick to something more casual and not too formal. Don't go for too much of an expensive piece of jewelry. In the last video, I actually covered the top 5 men's essential accessories, and I feel like all of those accessories could be paired nicely with Vans Old Skools. So if you want to check that video out, I'm gonna leave a link down below. Alright, there you have it guys. That's my video on how to style Vans Old Skools. If you do enjoy the video, please feel free to leave a like, comment down below if you have any feedback or any suggestions for me, and please subscribe if you want to see more content. Thanks for now. I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star.
fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up, name them the shot top.